Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I want to show you how you can remove the background of your picture and also how you can create a YouTube thumbnail using your Inshot app in a very simple and easy way. So you go to photos, you click on it, tap on new, pick a photo that you'd like to use. We're picking this photo, right? And then the next thing you do is you look for cutout. You tap on cutout and it automatically does it, right? So right now you can see that something is still showing, so you tap on eraser and then you zoom in and then you clean. You have to be very gentle. There you go. You tap on mark and then you adjust the size however you want it. Still on cutout, you can go to this part to outline it in any design that you want. So with this, no, white is perfect. So you can do this. I think this is fine. You tap on it and then you save. This is it. Can you see? For thumbs, when you tap on read, pick this photo first, right? It will be like this. Go to canvas, put it in 16.9, that's YouTube ratio, and then you bring in the one without background. You bring it using sticker, going to photo, and that I already brought it there already. So but normally you tap on plus sign instead of this cutout, because this is another way you can use to remove background by tapping on cutout, going to camera roll and doing this. It will automatically cut it out and then you can put it side by side, right? Or sticker, go to this and tap on the one we already did. Why I'm bringing it this way is because we already did it. Normally when I want to do it, I do it directly from here and cut it out. I hope you get it. So that's another way you can cut it out. Then you try to adjust the photo. Then for the background, you can go to Canva background and make it blurred out, right? Or you can even, if you do this, the one without background is going to have this white, so you're not going to be able to achieve what you are there for. So you just do like this, or you even give it a different background for it to stand out. This is perfect. Yes, so it is distinct. And then the next thing, you go to text and you write how, for this picture and for this text you can do whatever you want. You can make it black, gray, any color. You can add shadows to it. You can label it like this. I think I love this. And the next thing I want to also add here is the Inshot app. The Inshot app logo. Inshot and then image. Save to photo. So go to my Inshot app back, go to sticker. But let's try it. I don't know if you to cut it out excessively, but yeah, try to erase it. But it's going to be like a whole lot. But let's do that. Let's can do this. Let's put shadow and you reduce it. See it? So it will be like this. How to remove background. I'm supposed to write on InShot. This is perfect. How to remove background on InShot. Simple and easy to do. The next thing to do is to save it. Background on InShot. I hope you're able to learn a lot from this. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on your post notification bell to get notified whenever I post any new video. and see you guys in my next video. Bye.